guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can look well groomed and presentable without using any makeup. Well, these are the hacks that usually models use, and as a model, I used to do this because a lot of times we have to go for a meeting or usually for shoots, we go without makeup, so we can't just go with like out of the bed look. That doesn't look professional. So these are the things that I used to do, which I still follow, which helps me look well groomed. So let's see what are these things that you can do to make your face look much more better, neater and fresh. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's begin and let me just share some tips and tricks with you all on how to look great when you don't want to wear makeup. So first thing guys, when you don't want to wear makeup, you have to make sure that at least your hair is in place and not like this. You have to get rid of that frizz and make sure that your hair looks smooth and silky. So what I like to do is I just like to straighten my hair because I feel that gives me a nice neat look. So before I straighten my hair, I'm going to apply this serum. So this is an argan oil serum which I got from Thailand, but you can use any hair serum so that it gives you a nice shine. Just applying it on my dry hair. See the shine already guys. It's making my hair look really healthy and not dry and frizzy. So this is what you need to do. Then when your hair is in place, your face automatically starts looking so much more neater and better. Trust me, I don't wear makeup every day, and all you girls who message me on Instagram asking me how do I look like this, well, I didn't wake up like this. I do all these things which I'm going to show you in this video. Alright, so I'm taking this iron. So the iron that I'm using is from Remington. I love Dyson products. I don't have them. My friends have some Dyson products and they tell me that they're really amazing. And I went to the store and I tried some of their products, but I'm a little confused if I should buy that air wrap or not. So in case if you girls suggest me that I should buy that, it's a good buy, then let me know in the comment section below. Alright, can you see the difference between the two sides? So much more neater. That's what I'm saying. So let me just quickly finish this other side also. Looks lovely. Let's go on to our tip number 2. Second tip, let's take care of our skin. So starting with the toner, my face is absolutely clean. I'm taking this Perrine tonic mist, shaking it a bit and then spraying it on my face. I'll leave the link of these products from Perrine in the description box below. If you're interested, you can purchase it from that link, and also I will leave my discount code, so you guys will get a special discount with my discount code. Their products are absolutely great, made with natural ingredients, and their toner has no alcohol, absolutely no alcohol, no paraben, no sulfate. Alright, this feels really refreshing. Let's wait for our skin to just absorb this toner. And tip number 3 now guys. Tip number 3 is to make sure that your skin is hydrated and it looks really healthy. Right? So even if you have an oily skin, you should apply a moisturizer. Like how our body needs water, our skin also needs certain amount of moisturizer and hydration, which can be provided only with a good moisturizer, right guys? So now I am applying this Perrine dry oil serum. I love this because it gives a very nice glow to my skin. You guys will see it right now. So just taking a few drops on my palm, gently massaging it all over my face, Well, this serum is great for all skin types because it's absolutely non-sticky and non-greasy, oily. I think it looks perfect. You see the glow on my skin, guys? It's because of this oil serum that I applied right now. Alright, so now on top of this, I'll be applying MAC Stroke Cream. My skin, as I mentioned, is dry. I really need good amount of moisturizer. So a lot of people not applying moisturizer, especially during summers, because they say that the skin starts feeling very sticky and oily. Well, you're not applying the right product, is what I'll say. It's important that your skin feels soft and it looks soft, and for all that you have to moisturize your skin well. So you guys have to make sure that you wait for a few minutes, let the skin absorb that serum and then apply the second layer of moisturizer. Whatever you apply on your skin, the skin should be able to absorb it really well. Only then it will benefit your skin. If it just stays on the upper layer and doesn't get absorbed, then you're actually not benefiting the skin much. Tip number 4, don't forget your under eye skin. I often see people have dry skin around their eyes. That's because you are not applying a moisturizer, or the moisturizer that you're applying is not doing any good to your under eye skin. So you need a good eye cream for that, or you can even, like in the night, I like to massage oil under my eyes, as I've mentioned in a lot of my videos. But since during the daytime I can't do that, I can't be roaming around with oil under my eyes, so I need an eye cream. So today I'll be using this Perrine under eye cream. So just taking like a pea size quantity and applying it under my eyes and very gently massaging it. I like to use this under eye cream on my brides before I start makeup when they have puffy eyes, so it helps to subside that puffiness under the eyes, which is great. Next tip, never forget your sunscreen. Never ever forget your sunscreen. You're going out, you're not going out, you're sitting at home, you're sitting in front of your laptop, on your bed, whatever you're doing, you should wear a sunscreen on daily basis. So this is Perrine sunscreen, which is SPF 50. I know some sunscreens make you look so white. Well, this won't do that. Alright, we might have to brush our hair again. Don't worry about it. Next thing, guys, very important tip. Don't forget your eyebrows ever. What you need to do is, I just like to pluck my extra hair with this tweezer. Just stretch your skin and whatever extra growth that you have, just pluck it. Alright, we're done with that. So now I'm just taking a spoolie and brushing my eyebrows. So this is how it was earlier. And this is the brush. Yes, this video is about not applying any makeup. I won't be filling my eyebrows, but what I'll be doing is I'm taking this spoolie, taking Vaseline petroleum jelly, just dip my spoolie in this, apply a little bit of Vaseline, or here, so I've applied some Vaseline here on the spoolie, and now I will brush my eyebrows with that. So this will ensure that your eyebrows stay in place and they don't move around much. Anyone with bushy eyebrows can completely do this. I know bushy eyebrow people don't like to fill their eyebrows, so this is what you can do when you're doing your makeup. However, if given a choice, I would really love to just fill my eyebrows. It just takes 2 minutes, but I just wanted to make this video without using any makeup product, so we're not going to do that. So alright, done. We already done. My eyebrows are smelling so good right now. What next? Okay, eyebrows done. Our skin, yes, it's done. It's glowing and I'm loving the glow. Well, one tip I would like to give here, which I cannot show, but girls, start getting rid of the facial hair that you have. It doesn't look nice. Get rid of it. There are a lot of ways on how to get rid of facial hair. Well, that's like another topic which we can discuss some other time. I can make a video on that. It's really getting rid of those facial hair really makes a difference to your entire look. Your skin starts looking so much better. In fact, all these creams and moisturizers that you use, the skin absorbs it in a better way. So that is why I say get rid of your facial hair. Well, we'll discuss that in some like on some other day. I'll make a video about it. So let's go on to our next thing, which is lips. So I'm applying this lip balm from Joey Fresh. This is a nice red color lip balm. You can apply lip tint. Absolutely, I will count that as makeup. I really wanted to apply lip tint, but I was like, you girls will say Nidhi is cheating. She's applying makeup. She said no makeup in this video, but I will consider lip tint as makeup. So, alright, one last thing which is left is I always like to curl my eyebrows, so I feel they really open up the eyes. No, we won't put in mascara, we're just curling it. Show you guys the difference between the two eyes. Just wait for it. Give me like 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at it. I mean, now you know what I'm saying. Curl your lashes. And honestly, if you can't see the difference right now, then I will personally come and curl your lashes someday. Alright girls, so let's just brush our hair, and what do you girls think? Before, after. Before just took 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, absolutely no makeup, and this is how you can make yourself look more groomed and presentable. You don't have to wear makeup every time you go out or when you're sitting at home or somebody's coming home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It really means a lot. Your support is everything for me. So also comment below in case you have used Dyson products, then let me know, give me a feedback, help me buy it. And help me buy it as in like not money guys, but help me with your reviews so that I can gift myself one on my birthday, which is coming in Jan. Still a few more months to go, but anyways, so subscribe to my channel, comment below with your thoughts, with your reviews or any suggestion that you have for my next video. And what else? And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye guys, see you all very soon. Have a lovely day, take care of yourself and take care of your skin. I'll see you guys very soon.